Charming one-story home in Tombole Hills with a beautiful backyard and relaxing sunroom. This light and bright home features vaulted ceilings, an open layout, and flexible living spaces including a large family room and den dining area perfect for entertaining or working from home. The kitchen with breakfast area offers granite countertops, gas cooktop, and ample cabinet space. The home includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage with 2 additional storage rooms for tools, hobbies, or extra space. Step outside to a gardener's dream backyard with a fully fenced vegetable garden, spacious shed with built-in shelving, French drains, and a sprinkler system updated in 2021. Recent updates include bathrooms 2020, water heater 2020, electrical panel rewired 2020, and roof replaced in 2018. Located just off Highway 249 and zoned to highly rated Tombole ISD schools, with quick access to shopping, dining, and the charm of Old Town Tombole. Interior. Other rooms. Total rooms, 9 utility room dimensions, 10x5. Utility room level, first. Family room dimensions, 21x20. Sunroom dimensions, 16x13. Family room level, first. Sunroom level, first. Appliances. Dishwasher. Gas cooktop. Laundry features, washer hookup, electric dryer hookup. Bedrooms. Bedrooms, 3 primary bedroom dimensions, 14x15. Bedroom 1 dimensions, 12x11. Bedroom 2 dimensions, 15x10. Primary bedroom level, first. Bedroom 1 level, first. Bedroom 2 level, first. Bathrooms. Total bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 interior features. Double vanity. Granite counters. Tub shower. Vaulted ceilings. Flooring, wood. Heating and cooling. Cooling features, central air, electric. Fireplace features, wood burning. Heating features, central, gas. Heating, yes. Number of fireplaces, 1 kitchen and dining. Breakfast room dimensions, 9x13. Breakfast room level, first. Dining room dimensions, 11x11. Dining room level, first. Kitchen dimensions, 11x13.